Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating straight to Chrome//extensions. This is the one place that controls extension developer settings. Once there, confirm you're in the correct profile. Extensions are profile-specific, so make sure you're signed in. Now scan the top right. You'll see the developer mode toggle. Don't panic if it looks minimal. This first step gives you access to the tools we'll use next. Keep the tab open and proceed immediately to enable developer mode. You flip the developer mode toggle to on. This unlocks options like Load Unpacked, Pack Extension, and Update. Once enabled, click Load Unpacked to add an extension from a local folder, useful for testing changes instantly. If you're packing an extension, use Pack Extension to create a distributable CRX file and copy the generated key securely. Also, click Details on any extension to inspect its ID, background page, and permissions so you understand what you're loading. You should now test by making a small change and hitting Update to reload the extension. This confirms your workflow works. If something breaks, open the extension's background page or Service Worker console to read errors and stack traces. This tells you why it failed. Make sure to disable or remove any conflicting extensions before reloading, and use Load Unpacked against a clean build. If developer mode won't stay on, verify profile permissions, and that Chrome isn't managed by an administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.